Hi, I'm Michael Sermon. Welcome to Lead Well, Live Whole. After more than 35 years in leadership, I've learned that the biggest challenges we face are rarely about titles, careers, or success. More often, they're questions of purpose, identity, faith, relationships, resilience, and meaning. They're the moments when we look in the mirror and wonder if the life we're living still reflects the person we were meant to become. That's why I created Lead Well, Live Whole. This channel is a place for honest conversations about leadership, personal growth, faith, family, and honestly navigating life's difficult seasons with courage and hope. So whether you're leading a business, raising a family, walking through a challenge, or simply searching for greater clarity and purpose, you'll find encouragement, practical insights, and real conversations designed to help you move forward. Along the way, I'll share lessons from leadership, stories from life, insights from faith, and tools that can help you become more of who you were created to be. My hope is simple: to help people lead well, live whole, and live with greater purpose and intention. So if that sounds like something you need, I'd love for you to subscribe and join the community. So, pull up a chair, you're among friends. Welcome to Lead Well, Live Whole.